work that we are doing together with other pharmacies on the free medicine scheme, which is also very important because with the free medicine scheme, it allows the safety net where patients or people that Fijians that actually qualify under the free medicine scheme and they are registered and they have their card, they can be able to get medicines either at our pharmacies or they can come to retail pharmacies that are under the scheme to be able to pick up medicines, and that continues to provide the safety net. So, Honorable Sir, thank you very much for this offer and thank you for the work that we've been doing together. And I know for sure that the patients and the facilities will be happy with this kind of gesture that we have to do. Honorable.
That's coming to us, and we are distributing this to one of the airline sponsors has signed up with it. They also use healthcare providers can provide extra because with our survey we found out that these are the is not too long.